So you want to make money on Instagram, but you also don't want to show your face. Listen, I get you. I know how it was for me when I started in 2017 with my YouTube channel. I was very confident on camera, but I wasn't confident enough to put my face out there for the whole world to judge me, right? I wasn't ready for the trolls. I didn't even know if people would take me seriously in the first place. So I understand how difficult it can be for you as a complete beginner, wanting to make money online, but you don't have the confidence yet to put your face out there. Fortunately for you, there's strategies now that you can use to make money on the internet in 2024 without showing your face. You don't have to show your face out there if you don't want to. And the beauty about Faceless is the fact that, you just feel more confident putting out content without the fear of judgment, without the fear of trolls, because unfortunately we live in a very negative world. Which is why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an amazing way to make money on Instagram using Faceless digital marketing. I'm just going to switch over to my computer right now and share this strategy with you guys step by step. Okay, so in order to get started, the first thing that you need to do, of course, is you need to set the foundation for your business. So that begins with actually deciding on what niche you are going to be tapping into. So to help you out with this, you want to start thinking about your passions, your skills, your hobbies, your expertise. You really want to start around something that you are personally passionate about, or at least have some experience, in as well. So you really want to start thinking about, what are those things that people compliment you for? What do people come to you for? What do your friends and family members come to you for all the time? So I know in my case, for example, I used to get a lot of people asking me, oh, how did you start your boutique business, and things of that nature. So I went ahead and I actually wrote a book around just helping people start their boutique businesses with little to no money. So you really want to start thinking about what you're good at. Maybe you're good at making candles. Maybe you're good at making body butters, for example. Planning trips, right? You're that person in the group chat that's always planning trips for everybody, right? So travel could be a niche that you may want to tap into. So start thinking about your passions, your interests, your expertise, your hobbies, or even think about your job. Think about jobs that you've done in the past, your work experience. What did you study at uni, at college? These are all things that you can start thinking about when deciding on the best niche to target, okay? So now you have an idea in terms of what you would like to do. The next thing we want to do is we want to ensure that there's actually demand for that product in the market. So it's really, really important to make sure that there is actually a demand out there in the market for the product or service you wish to offer. There's nothing worse than, selling a product just based on your own personal interest and not, based on what people are actually searching. So I'm just going to use making candles as an example for the sake of this training. So let's assume that you wanted to start an online business around helping people make candles from the comfort of their home so they can resell it for profit eventually. Then you can actually go to the platform called Google Trends. And then what we're going to do here is we're just going to search for how to make candles, right? So Google Trends is actually going to give us data based on how frequently this keyword is being searched within the search engine Google, which is obviously the largest search engine in the world. As you can see, guys, Google Trends has basically given us some data that indicates a demand for this keyword. It basically means that people are searching for this keyword all year round. So think about it. If you had a product that was actually teaching people how to create candles from the comfort of their home, so they can resell it for profit or even start their own candle making business, right? Then that's actually a great one to tap into. It doesn't look like a seasonal product. As you can see, everything has been pretty consistent and nothing has actually dipped down over the last 5 years, which basically just indicates an evergreen niche that you can tap into. Okay, so as you can see right here, everything seems to be pretty steady. There's a few highs and peaks around the January months, which also indicates that, this is a time of the year where people are looking for ways to make candles. Why? Because it is the fall season, it is the winter season, it's cold out here, right? So maybe people are looking to make candles from home more during the winter period. So this is actually a great time of the year to try and sell your digital product as well. So if you wanted to run ads, that's a great time to run ads. But either way, this is a pretty consistent search term. As you can see over the last 5 years, it just tells us that there's a potential that this search term is going to continue to go up and up and up. Now that we know that there's a demand in the market for our product, the next thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and actually create a digital product. Now, the reason why I strongly recommend that you guys look into creating digital products as opposed to going out there and selling a physical product is because digital products have a very low overhead cost and they have very, very high profit margins. And it's really easy for you to start making money with digital products without investing a ton of money on inventory that you are not certain is going to sell. Okay, so it means it's a less risky business approach and you can actually test the waters and see if it works. Okay, So now we know people are actually going on the internet every single day, all year round, searching for how to make candles. What we are going to do now is we are going to use the platform ChatGPT to create an ebook that is basically teaching people how to make candles from the comfort of their home, and consequently, make a business out of it, right? So not only are you making it for personal use, but now you can also, use that skill to sell those candles that you've just made, right? So I'm just going to type write an ebook outline on the topic of how to make and sell candles from home. So ChatGPT is basically going to give us some ideas in terms of the different chapters that we could actually talk about. Okay, so as you can see right here, in the space of literally seconds, we have about 7 chapters right now that we can talk about in this book. As you can see, it's not only talking about actually creating those candles, but it's also telling us how we can go ahead and actually plan the business and sell these candles as well, which is just an extra bonus. And you could actually become that go-to person that people are coming to seek for that information around making and selling candles from the comfort of your home. Now you have this book outline. What you want to do is go to the platform called canva.com. It is a free platform. And what we are going to be doing here is we're going to be looking for an A4. Nope. A4. It's looking for an A4 document, okay? And this is essentially where you are going to be able to start creating your ebook and your digital products. If I just go there to create a blank template, what you can do now is you can literally just go over here on Canva, guys, and just copy all this information that we have, paste that information there as well, okay? So as you can see, this is pretty long and a little bit kind of like annoying. So what you can do is you can add pages, right? And just make sure that you go ahead and make changes as you go along. So what you want to start doing, guys, is you want to start expanding on all these different topics and chapters here. Now, another great alternative to actually creating your own digital products from scratch yourself is to just buy a done for you digital product that has already been created by other experts out there and that you can resell as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profit. And a great platform to source this done for you digital products is none other than Digital World Flippers. So as you can see, there's a ton of different products here in so many different niches that you can tap into, or you can just use the search bar here to just search for, a keyword that you're interested in. And it is going to bring up a ton of different products that have already been created for you that you can actually go out there and resell as your own, charge your own prices. You can even make changes to some of those products. You can change the covers, and then you can actually just resell those products and keep 100% profits. You don't have to go through the stress of actually trying to create, ebooks from Canva from scratch, right? You can just find a product here that's most relevant to a niche that you're interested in, buy it for a one-time fee, guys. That's a one-time lifetime fee. You can make some changes to the products. You can change the covers and then go out there, guys, and start selling those products in the fastest time possible. You don't have to go through the stress of trying to create everything from scratch yourself, because as you can see, it can be pretty time consuming trying to do things yourself. So guys, head over to Digital World Flippers. I'll leave a link below this video on the screen here. Go check out the website. Amazing website, amazing products, high quality digital products that you can actually rebrand and start making money in the fastest time possible, okay? Now we have a product ready to go. We're going to go ahead and actually start selling this product on a platform called Gumroad.com. Okay, so this is where we are going to be listing a product for sale. Congratulations, you now have your digital product for sale. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to visit the website called Gumroad.com. This is a free platform that you can actually sign up for free, okay? And it allows you to sell anything from digital products, templates, courses. People even sell their one-on-one coaching here as well. Like I've seen service-based businesses here as well. So what you want to do is you want to register for a Gumroad account, right? So once you've registered, you will be able to gain access to the back office like so. And then you just want to go to products and add a new product, and you'll be taken to this page right here. So again, you just want to give your product a name, how to make, that's going to be the title of your book. Now you can spice this thing up even more. Like you don't have to make it so basic and make 6 figures selling candles from home, just make it as catchy as possible. Okay, play around with some titles. You can ask your friends, family, and you just see what they think about it, right? The goal here is to make sure that your title captivates someone who's interested in making and selling candles from home. And then again, we're going to go with digital product because this is essentially the product that we just created on Canva. Or if you've purchased a book from Digital World Flippers, then you can actually just upload the file here as a digital product, okay? And then this is where you want to put your price. You can choose your currency here as well. If you wanted to sell in US dollar, this is how much you're going to be charging for that digital product. So let's say you were selling this book for $37, which is actually quite a good price for such an in-depth book. Then, you can just go ahead, set your prices, and then just, go ahead and list that product for sale. Now you have your products ready to go. The next thing we want to do is, of course, we need to start funneling as many eyeballs to this product as possible. You want more and more people to see this product, because if you don't make that announcement out there that you've got a product for sale, no one is going to know it exists. So you really want to tap into social media, tap into the free traffic that is already on the social media platforms, and make sure that you are focusing on creating short form video content, guys. And the best part about short form video is the fact that it can be 100% faceless. If you go to the platform called canva.com, okay, you can sign up for free. I'll leave a link below this video. You guys can sign up for a free account. And then what you want to do is you want to search for Instagram Reels. And the beauty about this platform is there's already a ton of done for you templates that you can use to not only create Reels on Instagram, you can use the exact same Reels on your TikTok videos and Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest idea paints, because these are all the same dimensions, across all the social media platforms. So you can literally create one Reel and then use that same video on literally every social media platform that allows short form content, which is just amazing. Okay, so what we are going to do here is you can either go through all these ready-made templates. As you can see, these are video templates that have already been done for you. You can find one that resonates with you. Right, this one's great for beauty, brands. If you're selling a beauty product, you can literally just go out here and flip the script and put your own products there. Or you can go and actually create something from scratch, right, using a blank Reel template. So I'm just going to go here and just go with a blank Reel template. And then since we're actually in the business of trying to sell an ebook around making candles, what you're going to do now is you're going to go to videos. So let's go find videos. This is videos here on the left-hand bottom side of the page. And then you want to search for candles, right? Let's say candle making. Let's see if we can find a video template. Now, I am using a pro account with Canva because I do use Canva quite a lot. You don't have to upgrade to pro, right? So all these ones are pro. So if you are on the free plan right now, you will not be able to use this pro template. But there's other free options that you can go with. As you can see, this one is free. It's not got the, crown logo on it, which is fine. So that's actually a free template that you can use. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to click on that video, and as you can see, it's literally just dragged it into the screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to expand it and make sure that it fits into the screen. So you want people to know that it's actually a video around making candles. Okay, so let's just go fit it in. Perfect, that looks great. So what you want to do now is you want to put some text over that video that's actually going to be your call to action, or let's say your hook. That's essentially how you're going to be able to hook people to, check out your platform. So we're going to go to text right here, and then you want to go and add a heading. And then you can just put something here that actually attracts your target audience. So we're thinking about attracting people who want to make candles from home. So I'll put something here like, do you or love the idea? Oh, let's put it here. Love the idea of making candles from home. Here's an easy fix. And then you can direct them to check out your caption or to check out, the link in your description, depending on the platform that you're using to promote your products, of course. So it will differ with every platform. So some platforms allow you to actually put links. So on YouTube, you can actually put links in your description and things of that nature. If you were doing like a YouTube short, if you're doing Pinterest, you can also put links. Facebook, you can also put links. Instagram, you cannot put links. So you may have a different call to action there. And TikTok, you may have a different call to action as well. So it really depends on what platforms you plan to promote this products. Okay, so again, I'm just going to go ahead. Again, this is very dummy just for the sake of time and for the sake of just making sure you guys get an idea in terms of how you can make this work. I'm going to go ahead because this is kind of like it's not very visible, so I'm going to go add an actual shape in the background of that text. So let's just use a square. I'm going to just drag that there, and I would just kind of expand that a little bit. Now you can actually do this on Instagram. If you're doing it on Instagram, TikTok, what you could also do is you could just download this blank video, right? And then you can just go to those platforms and just add the text overlay within the platforms themselves. Okay, that's another way that you can actually, create this Reels. If you don't want to do it on Canva, I'll change that to white or maybe another color just to kind of make it blend nicely. Listen, I'm not a designer, guys, but this is just to show you that Even a dummy like me can do this, so there's nothing stopping you. So let me just go and reduce the size. I'll just reduce the size of that video. Let's go there. Okay, so right, so let's do play. And then you can see what that video looks like. Love the idea of making candles from home. Here's how to fix it, or here's how to do it, or here's an easy fix, whatever it is, right? So of course, this is naturally going to attract someone who has an interest for making candles from home. So guys, once you do that, you can just go to share and you can just download it as an MP4 video, and then you can re-upload this video on platforms like Facebook, Instagram. You can even schedule this content so you don't have to be out here posting videos every single day. I personally like to do all my content on a Saturday and then just schedule my content to go out during the course of the week, because I run multiple businesses. I am a mom as well, so my life is pretty hectic. I don't have time to be here on social media every day promoting and posting content. I just schedule all these pieces of content and then they go out, you know, at the dates and times that suit me best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know below this video if you are going to be trying out the strategy. Let me know what your ebook topic is, and if you have already created an ebook or, you know, purchased one for resale, link your store link below this video. Perhaps someone else is going to be interested in purchasing your products. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.